Today I shall explain Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now explanation of Pythagoras theorem, which is theorem 6.8. Now statement. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Now I am going to explain the statement. Now look here. This is a right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay. The side opposite to the 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse, and other two sides which make the angle 90 degree is one is base and other is height. Understand what I have told? That the side opposite to the 90 degree angle is known as hypotenuse, and other two sides which make the angle 90 degree is one of the side is base and other side is height. Now listen, in this question, in this figure, ABC is a right triangle where angle B equal to 90 degree. So AC is known as hypotenuse. So AC square equal to, you have to prove in Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now by construction, BD perpendicular AC is drawn. Okay. Now proof. In this figure, you can look that there are three right triangles. One right triangle is angle ADB, other right triangle is triangle CDB, and other right angle is ABC. There are three right triangles. Two of them are small right triangles and one is big. So we have to make similar triangle, one small and one big. Now here this small triangle I have taken ADB and ABC. Main thing is to take the two triangles in a proper way. Always one thing you remember, you start from common angle. This small triangle and this big triangle, you look, angle A is common, okay, because angle ADB and ABC. So you start from A, which is the common vertex. That will be easy. So, and in small triangle, angle ADB is 90 by construction, and in the big triangle, angle ABC is right triangle. So you take the triangles in this way. So I have taken in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. What I have told, common angle you take at first, then 90 degree angle. In small triangle ADB, common 90 and other. And in big triangle, A is the common, B is the 90 and C. So in triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle A common, and angle AADC, angle ADB, equal to angle ABC. Okay. Angle ADB equal to angle ABC 90 degree. So by AA similarity criterion, triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Okay. Now first is AB square you have to prove. So you write here one AB and other AB in by cross multiplication. One AB you write here, other AB you write here. Now you arrange AB. I have told you that upper portion means numerator portions are of triangle first triangle, and lower, that is denominator portion, are of second triangle. So this AB is of first triangle, which is first and last. Okay, and here also you know, look what is first and last, that is A and C. So you put here AC. Now this AB I have put here. So now this AB is of second triangle AB. Of second triangle AB is first two letter. So of first triangle first two letters are AD. So you write here AD. This type of arrangement is required. I am telling once again, you look. At first you write down here one AB and other AB, because I have to take out AB square. So AB you write here. Now this AB is for first triangle, so it is first and last, and so here will be put of second triangle first and last, that is AC, and this AB is for second triangle which is first and second. So of first triangle first and second is AD. Okay, now this type of arrangement is required. So AB square equal to AC into AD, and this is for CPST. This is by CPST. Now AB square equal to AC into AD. This is equation number 1. Now you have to take out BC square. So again I have drawn the figure, and now you take this small triangle and whole triangle. So this small triangle C is the common angle for both this small triangle and this for big triangle. Angle C or angle or vertex C is common, and of small triangle CDB this angle is 90 degree, and of the big triangle CBA is common 90 degree. Okay, this 90 degree CDB 90 and CBA 90. So this type of triangle you take in triangle CDB and triangle CBA. Angle C equal to angle C common, angle CDB equal to CBA equal to 90 degree. Now by AA similarity criterion, triangle CDB similar triangle CBA. Now again you write here BC because we require BC square. BC. This BC is for first triangle and this BC is for second triangle. So first triangle BC equal to last and first. So of the second triangle last and first is A and C. So I have put here AC, and this BC is for second triangle which is second and first. So of first triangle second and first is D and C. So I have written here DC. Okay, this is CPST. This arrangement is main thing. Otherwise math not will be easy to do. So always you do in whatever I am doing. First BC you put here, and this BC is for first triangle. So BC last and first. So here last and first is A and C. I have written here, and this BC is for second triangle which is second and first. So here second and first is DC. Okay, this is CPST. So BC square equal to AC into CD by cross multiplication. This is equation number 2. Now you add equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 is AB square, equation 2 is BC square. And in equation 1 we have got AC into AD, and equation 2 we got AC into DC. Now look, AC is the common, and in bracket it will be AD plus DC. Now by figure AD plus DC equal to AC. So I have written here AC in place of AD plus CD. Now AC square. Dot means multiply. AC square. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. It is our requirement to prove. Okay.